Teach Me TV. Back again with another video for you and yours. We hope all is well. Today, I want to show you how you can make money transcribing videos, aka a transcriptionist. What's a transcript, you say? A written or printed version of material originally presented in another medium. So what that means for you is that you can do this for your friends and people you work with, or offer your talents to the marketplace. If that sounds like something you think you can do, hit the like button. Now I want to give you 3 ways you can make this work in your favor. You can use these tools to make some easy money without much work. Now it will take a little effort compared to punching the clock at a 9 to 5. You can add this to your money-making belt. We like money coming in 24/7, not just Monday to Friday. If you're ready, let's go. One of the ways you can make money is using automated transcription services. I know what you're thinking. If there are automated services, why don't people just use those services? One of the main reasons is most people are extremely busy creating content. Family, or they just don't know. Lots of entrepreneurs are just too busy starting or managing their businesses. This is where you come in, filling a void that they may need. Here are 6 websites you can use first to start. Otter.ai, Temi.com, Rev.com, Sonics.ai, Scribby.com, Trint.com. The pros to this method is it costs less than human transcription, ranging from free to around 25 cents per minute. Automated transcripts have a quick turnaround time. Podcasters usually get their finished file back within an hour or 2. The cons to using these transcription software is lower accuracy, usually ranging from 80% to 95%. The second way is doing it yourself. I always suggest learning the tricks of your trade first before you venture into outsourcing, which is perfectly fine if that is what you want to do. However, the benefit to doing it yourself is that it's cheaper for you in the long run, especially since you are first starting your business or adding this other skill to your money-making belt. All you need to do is use Otter.ai or Temi integrations, upload audio in SRT file format, then write them yourself. This is super easy. You have to take action and learn something new. It may be scary, but you can do this. This method is free and costs only your time. But DIY transcription is time-consuming and generally requires 2 to 5 times the length of your podcast episode. While there aren't any tools to help you transcribe your podcast, you can use the slow down feature in your podcast player to make it easier. The third way is to hire someone else to do this for you at a reasonable fee. Then you charge your fee and get paid just for being the connection between the client. But they will never know, nor do they need to know. All that is important is the end result, quality work, a satisfied client, and you providing an excellent service. Even if that service is simply information, here are some details to what you can expect to be charged for human transcriptors, so that you know, these comps aren't for all transcriptionists. Keep these 2 things in mind when you create or edit your transcriptions. Review for accuracy. Whichever method you use to transcribe your podcasting content, it's a good idea to do a quick read-through. Chances are you'll need to make a few edits before you hit publish. Another tip is write in sound effects. Automated transcription services won't add sound effects. However, you can go through your content to add things like sound of people walking on the street to make your transcript more engaging. These platforms can get you started on your journey to becoming a transcriptionist. I'm sure this is something you can do to add another income stream. Think about how you can do this for 30 minutes to an hour daily. If you can fit this into your schedule, you will start to turn a profit, which is the goal at the end of the day. We are not saying you will make $1 million transcribing for clients, but the potential is there. It's all on you. How you do that is by signing up to the Build Cash newsletter for more tips and tricks. If you learned something today, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. The notification bell as well to receive updates on when we drop another video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.